It's very common in prenuptial agreements for couples to decide that certain debts are the responsibility of one spouse and other debts are the responsibility of the other spouse. The same way that we categorize assets as belonging to either one spouse, the other spouse, or jointly, we categorize debts in the same way. You can decide that debts belong to one spouse, the other spouse, or are joint responsibilities. You can also decide that debts are a certain percentage responsibility. For example, you can decide that a certain debt is 70% the responsibility of one spouse and 30% the responsibility of another spouse. You can even determine the responsibility of certain debts based on other factors. For example, if a married couple is filing their taxes jointly and there are taxes owed, you can decide that those taxes will be the responsibility of whichever spouse's income caused the tax liability as determined by the accountant. And sometimes the accountant can see what the tax liability would have been if the couple had filed separately and assign responsibility based on those figures. Or sometimes couples will